Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can get Booking.com promo codes. So let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and searching for Grabin, then click on the official Grabin website from the search results. Once you're on the home page, head to the top right corner and use the search bar to type in Booking.com. This will take you to the dedicated Booking.com deals and coupons page on Grabin. Here, you'll see a list of all the currently available promo codes, discounts, and exclusive offers that can be used on Booking.com. These may include deals on hotel bookings, seasonal sales, or discounts for new users. Now, to use a coupon, simply look for the blue button that says Get Deal or Show Coupon. When you click on it, one of two things will happen. Either a coupon code will be revealed, which you can copy and apply at checkout on Booking.com, or you'll be redirected straight to the Booking.com website, where the discount will be automatically applied depending on the deal.